Yo, what's up everybody? It's me, Rhett. I haven't been on YouTube in a minute. I told myself that when I had something interesting to contribute to YouTube, I would come back. I'm here. I'm back. I have something interesting to share with you all. If you can't already tell from the title, the thumbnail, what I've posted on other social medias, I did order something very exciting, very kind of risky. And for those that don't know, I ordered some guns from Japan because you know me and my gun control rightsness. I can't even say anything right because I've never owned a gun in my life. Will never own a gun, possibly. This, what does it say? This item is not a real gun. This is a toy. They had to tell that to the customs people. So what I got was the Final Fantasy X-2 Yuna's Tiny Bee gun controllers. I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. We're gonna take a look at them. I don't know, I'm just really excited to get into this. I've been eyeballing these guns. It's just so weird to say. I've been eyeballing these guns for years, even before I was like this level of a collector. My first time I went to Japan in 2019, I saw these at like a hobby shop, and I was like, oh, I want those so bad. And I've always been a fan of Final Fantasy X-2. If you guys don't already know, that's my favorite game in the world. I post about it all the time. And I just want to collect all the memorabilia. And these are like actually like models of Yuna's guns. So I'm really excited to hold them. I bought these off of Yahoo Japan, and the lister, the person that sold them to me said that they were labeled as junk. I was able to get them for a very good price because they were junk. And they only labeled them as such because they didn't have the means to test it out. So I guess they didn't have a PlayStation 2 nearby to actually test if they worked. But from the images, they look to be in good shape. It comes with a box. That's kind of all that matters to me, but I'm really hoping that these work and that I can actually play the game with them, because can you imagine? I can't wait to get into it, and it's gonna look great on my shelf, I'm sure, with all my Final Fantasy stuff, because I am a big Final Fantasy X-2 fan, and this shrine is gonna keep growing. So let's get into it. I'm gonna unbox this in front of you guys. We're gonna take a look at the details, and then we're gonna hopefully see if they work. Let's do it. Okay, I realize I'm sitting kind of funky. You might be able to see my knees. I feel very knee self-conscious right now, so please ignore the hairy knees, but this is the best angle that I could get. They told me they were gonna put a picture of the guns to give to TSA like this. Why wouldn't they just like show the outer covering of the box? Like, this makes it look like there's actual guns in here. This is like more concerning. Like, there's pictures of like the wires and them actually being controllers, but they didn't do that. So I feel like they set me up for failure, and it thankfully did not work. Thankfully, but anyways, let's see if this is junk or not. Ah! I'm so excited. You have no idea. Oh my God, okay. Okay. Okay, there's nothing left in the box. Ooh, there's the back of the box. This is my receipt. That's how much I paid. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. This is freaking gorgeous. Holy smokes. I am in my moment because this box is in super fabulous condition. B, it's so shiny and beautiful, and seeing this artwork of Yuna, like it's so big. It's so big. I'm just like, I'm in love. Here's what it looks like on the sides of the box. It just has little images of the controllers and the logo of the game. Same as the bottom and same as the top, just without the gun controllers. The back of the box shows a little bit of a display of what it looks like put together, and then includes this picture of Yada Donkey Tower. I don't remember if that's, maybe, I think Yada Donkey was like a weird translation it had like 20 years ago. I think the remaster of the game, when it was officially translated, this is like the Yudasur Tower or something like that. In my brain, it's Yada Donkey. I don't know why. I'll never not think that, but yeah, this is the Yudasur Tower. It's got this cool image of Yuna at the bottom. I I'd like to see how this differs. The original release of this with 10-2, it had a red box, kind of like a maroony color. Like if you open up the disc in Final Fantasy X-2, it's got that red color on the disc with this picture of Yuna. This one is silver to look like the international cover. I'm just so obsessed with it. How do I open you? Okay. We're gonna open with this tab here. This box is so freaking beautiful. Why would they label this as junk? I mean, come on. This is artwork, people. Okay, there's a thing here. Oh, it appears to have information about Hori, the company that produced these. I'm gonna put that back. Like how to reach out to them or whatever. I like don't want to open it. I'm kind of stressed out. Okay, we're gonna get some more knee action in here. So sorry. Okay. They did tell me that it was sticky, the controllers, which apparently is a common thing due to the age of these controllers. They do tend to be sticky. I can see that on the stand. That is nasty. Ew. Yeah, it's just like the plastic is degrading. It looks like they may have tried to clean it and got some like stuff stuck on it. That's okay. Ooh. Oh snap. Oh snap. This is so cool. Sorry, I have to smell it. It smells like you'd expect it, like plastic. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm totally geeking out. So this is like perfect for cosplay. When I eventually do my Yuna cosplay, this is it. So this, is this like the, not the trigger, but like, I don't know what this is called. This has the like, oh man, I don't know my controller thing, but this is like how you move her. What is this called? You guys know what this is called, right? The ball joint part. I'm guessing there's a little button here. This might be like L1, this might be, or maybe that's L1. I guess we'll learn when I try to play it. Let me put that one down. And then open up the other one. Hell yeah. Oh, okay. Thought I was missing the cover for that. I'm not. And then we've got the second one. And then it's got the, me not knowing like what anything is called on a controller. The up, down, left, right stuff with that button. So I don't know, maybe that's the right hand, maybe that's left. And you got her guns. Oh yeah. Okay, so click those off and then I can move her. I can control the menu with this one. I think that's what's going on here. Again, if anything, this is amazing for display purposes. There's buttons. There's like little secret buttons all over this controller. This is like, this is so funny. Why did they make this? Why did they make this, you know? Okay, seriously, this packaging is in really great condition. Ew, it's so sticky. Oh, it's leaving like grease on my hand. Okay, that's kind of nasty. Okay, but it's fine, it's fine. I've actually been through worse. If you saw me put together that Sailor Moon Okaimono shop thing, I'm pretty sure I inhaled some really toxic stuff with that. Okay, yes. You might be able to see the stand has these little specks. Yeah, that is like the plastic degrading. Maybe I can clean that off. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, it's a little dusty. She needs to be cleaned. Here's the wires. Yeah, this is the stand. So it's got these slots. Oh my gosh, okay, yeah, I don't even know why I need to describe it. I'll just put them on. Ew, it's nasty. All right, so, okay, good. So I've got both of the wires. This controls something. It's got left and right buttons on it. I really don't know what it means. And as far as I could see, there is no like other manual that it came with. Yeah, maybe it originally came with it and it got lost over time, or maybe it never did. Maybe this is like more self-explanatory. Okay, I need to focus because this is it's not it's not super knotted up, but it's very strategically tied up and I don't know. So think when I get stuff like this and I see there's like dust collected, like I know this used to belong to some collector. This used to be somebody's in their collection, right? And I just wonder, you know, like, how you doing out there? Thank you for, you know, passing this along to somebody else, but like, are you okay? Why did you give this up? I just always kind of wonder like where someone is in their life. Okay, this is where it's strange. So there's a little spot. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this little thing comes out from the bottom. Ew, I'm getting that greasy stuff all over my white carpet. It is what it is. And plug it in. And she plugs in like that. I believe the other one's gonna plug in the same way. You know what? This one might not go into this one because she falls out kind of easily. Let me test it out on the other one. See if this one goes in better. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this one is meant to be on the left. I'm calling it left, and I believe I'm right. I think this is the left. Oh my God, just banged it up on the table. So that one is the left one, and then I believe this one's the right one. So, yeah. You've got the up, down, left, right on your left, and you've got the ball joint on your right. Oh my gosh. All right, that was the unboxing. I'm gonna put it up on the stand, and we're gonna get to testing this thing out. All right, we're back over here. First, I have to point out that my little moon table is hella slanted. I need someone to repair it for me. This glass is about to just like topple off. And these guns, though be it they're very light, might be the final straw. We'll get it on camera though. So I'm just gonna put these down. I have no idea. Oh, it's so easy. Check that out. Wow. These are them. Like I said earlier in the video, I've been wanting these for a really long time. This is like the ultimate like collection item for Final Fantasy X-2. You know, they kind of went all out with merch for this game. They did like weird collaborations with like chips, like Lay's and stuff like that, I think. They've got keychains, some awesome action figures. I have some of them. Music. Okay, we don't have to go into detail about that, but I'll be posting more pictures of these on my Instagram, my Twitter, Threads, Blue Sky. I'm on all the stuff these days. Let's get into seeing if they work out or not. Hello everybody, I got my PlayStation. Let's find out if this controller works. I kind of have this theory it's not gonna work. Not because it's junk, but I wonder if it only works for Japanese PlayStations. Alright, let me unplug my controller. I'm gonna get the other controllers. Be right back. Do I have? I do. I have Final Fantasy X-2 loaded up in here. I don't have the international version. I have it, but obviously not for this PlayStation. This is the game. I've got the original North American game we're gonna put in. I do have the international version. This is what that one looks like. This is what the controllers go with, but I don't know. I might need a Japanese PlayStation for it. Let's find out though. The light turned on, so it's registered that it's working. Oh my God. I'm gonna scream if this like actually works. I'm like a kid on Christmas right now. Hurry up, I wanna go faster, I'm so excited. All right, it worked. Cause I just accidentally pressed the button. Holy crap. Okay, what is the, how do I go? How do I press X? How do I press X? Okay, I did recently play, I've got a new game plus. Let's go to the, I did not mean to open that. Okay, cool. I'm glad I didn't. Okay, let me go to my other save. Not gonna lie, this is kind of hard to control. Maybe I just need to get, I did it again! Okay, it's really hard to control. Cause you gotta use your whole freaking hand for this. Okay, up. All right. Let's go to my last save and see what we've got going on here. All right. Oh Oh my god. Okay, what is the B button? Because I want Yuna to jump. Oh my god. Okay. This is crazy. We're gonna actually face the game and play this with these controllers, alright? Let's figure out what the hell's going on. I need to figure out how to jump. Yuna. How do you jump, girl? Ah, I did it! Okay, do it again. Do it again. Oh, girl. Yeah! Okay, cool. Let's get into a random battle. Oh, you know what? I might have a charm bracelet on. Oh, this is so cool! Oops. Okay, this is this is not the easiest way. This is definitely not the easiest way to play the game. This is a little bit of a challenge. But you know what? I've played this game so many times in my life, but I've never played it like this before. Alright, how did I get to that menu? I felt like I did it so effortlessly. Okay, that's pause. Oh dear. Okay, I don't know how I did it, but this is crazy. Okay, someone... Okay. How do I... No. Back. There we go. Payne's got a charm bangle on. Let's get that off of her. Give her some... Sure. Alright, now we can get into a random battle. Yuna's got trigger happy. Oh, how do I make that work? Which one's R1? Oh, the trigger happy's literally the trigger. Shut up. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let's do it again. I'm sorry. There's no cooler way to play this game. Are you kidding? Let's do it again. Come on. Oh, I'm just hitting buttons now. This is so cool. I feel like Yuna. This is so cool. I'm gonna do it again. Sorry, last time. Oh, I am so badass. I'm so badass for this. Anyways, so we see that the game works. The controls are a little confusing. I'm not gonna lie about that. But I think once you get the hang of it, this is the ultimate way to play this game. This was such an awesome get, and I got them at such a good price. I am so happy to have them. And to have it like actually work out and know that these are functional is like super cool. Everybody, thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing and this little demonstration of these guns. Follow me for more rare finds that I get from Japan. I'll be posting them here. Have a great, super fantastic, awesome, splendid, amazing day. Bye, everybody!